Welcome students. Today I am going to our function chapter in the exercise related 2.3 questions. Students, in the last part I explained you there are 7 types of our functions and that function utilize I just explained this exercise. First question, which of the following relations are functions? Identify that and give reason why. If it is a function, then find domain and range. So there are 3 questions for second and then after a third explain. So first question is given relation 2-1, 5-1, 8-1, 11-1, 14-1, 17-1. Yes, I just show out our domain and here codomain. See, domain is a 2, just keep going to 1. So first relation. Second 5, that also 1. 8, check here. All elements of domain is uniquely associated with codomain. Yes, here every element of domain is uniquely associated with codomain. So yes, it is a function. So here every element of domain are unique associated with the codomain. So yes, it is function. Again repeat, when a function, every domain is uniquely associated with codomain. So yes, it is function, this relation, and domain defined after that, and range defined. Students, what is the domain? These are the domain 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and range is only 1. So this question is easily done. Same as second question, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, and 47. So here same drawing, just like going domain, and here codomain. Students, necessary show out the drawing. So what is domain here? 2, relation that 1. Similarly 4, that is 2. 6, 3. 8, 4. 10, 5. 12, then 6. And last of the 14, then 7. Here also every element of uniquely associated domain to codomain. So here also mention yes, it is function. Because write down this statement again in this part. Okay, same definition right here. So surely your domain defined and range defined. So our domain is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And the range is this range. The uniquely associated applied arrow diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are our simple solutions. Now students, after learning these questions, I am going to third one. Same is here given our domain part with the codomain. So domain is the one, the applied that 3 relation. Second one, that 5 relation. So one same is here I written 5. Students, this is not a uniquely associated with the codomain. So it is not a function. And last 2, then also 5. So 1, 3, 1, 5 and 2, 5. So here element 1 is not uniquely associated with the codomain. That's why students, this answer is not a function. So, this relation, it is not a function. So, we cannot determine here our domain and range. If it is a function, then relation and apply the range and domain. So, here easily finish our first question. Now, I go into second one. Now, students, I go into very most IIT questions. Question number 2. In this question number 2, both questions are IIT for exam level. So first question is fx is equal to minus modulus x. Yes, students. Any modulus function. Yes, any modulus function. Our graph is a union of two rays, either upside, either downside. Here downside because minus. Yes, students, here I just converted the two values, one of the positive x, one of the negative x. For positive, only and only x greater than or equal to 0, and negative to x less than 0. So, this function is actually defined minus x and x greater than or equal to 0 and x less than 0. I am going to some numbers taking to define your function. To y is equal to any number you take out, students. I just apply your minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 and apply the value. After that I go to our drawing. If x equal to minus 3, then what is f of minus 3? Here apply minus of minus 3. It means this value is a positive 3. Minus outside as it is minus 3. This answer is minus 3. So whenever you are taking the less than value, your answer is going to x. Apply direct minus 3. Next same is, if x equal to minus 2, then f of minus 2. Here also minus 2. Listen students, in modulus minus value, these are purely 2. But outside minus no. So this answer is only minus 2. Put down in the table. Same is, if x is equal to minus 1, apply that. Similarly, you go into, your answer is only minus outside, one answer. Similarly, if x is equal to 0, then add 0. Oh, this is only 0. If x is equal to 1, then f1 is what? Minus outside, and we are only putting in this form. Inside the 1, but my answer is minus 1. So, 0 putting there 0, minus 1 putting there minus 1, 1 putting there also minus 1. Yes, if x is equal to 2, then what is f2? Yes, f2 is same, minus of here 2, my answer is minus 2. Same as here, last power 2, value is minus 3. And then after students, I plotting the graph. So, one more. If x is equal to 3, then f of minus 3, minus outside here 3. So, which is minus 3. Here students, only I am taking the few numbers in your real number. So, our graph is x-axis, your y-axis and your numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here similarly minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. See, mostly your answer going to negative sides of y-axis. It is in this way. So that way I just apply the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 there. Now checking. Minus 3 then minus 3. First value approximately here. Similarly minus 2 then minus 2. Here approximately. Same as minus 1, 0 then 0. This side the moving our graph. It is a r negative. It is infinity way going. Same as, here check. 0 then 0 already plotted I. 1 then minus 1. It means here students. 1 then minus 1. 2 then minus 2. 3 then minus 3. And this also if you join the arrow, this also r minus. It means what is your range? R minus and 0. It means graph is union of two rays. If you have plus given, it is upwards graph. And if you minus given, then the downwards graph, this one. So easily, I just show after that. What is your domain? Yes, my domain is R. But range is R minus and including this 0. It means R minus union 0. Yes, this answer is for domain and range. Students, here happily and easily done. You also write down this answer. It is true, capital R minus R positive. Because this is a number line, you know that there is 0. This area is a R minus. This area, it is R plus. And I show it that R minus union 0, it means this 0 and this R minus. This full value, if you indicate, this is also true. Totally R minus R positive and this result both are same. Either you also mention here minus infinity to 0 close bracket. So sometimes even this answer true, again this true and this also true. And necessary you just draw roughly this drawing. Correct drawing is this according to our questions. Yes students, here done our question. Now I go to again second question, second one. It is very most IMP question. Okay, now students, I am moving ahead. Second one. Second also very most IMP question. Example. Fx is given under root 9 minus x square. Yes students, here also I define domain and range. First of all, we know that what you know, every root function is always non-negative. Non-negative means either they positive, either they 0. Always any root function, internal any given. I mentioned here 9 minus x square. Taking square on both sides. So, you getting just 9 minus x square is equal to greater than or equal to 0. Here taking two splitting. 3 minus x, 3 plus x. And greater than or equal to 0. And greater than or equal to 0 means surely it is a positive value. Including 0. Students, here I explain this numerically by different 3 cases. So before starting these cases, you just draw 2 simple drawing and 2 values are there. If you taking 3 minus x equal to 0, surely x equal to 3. And if this equal to 0, surely minus 3. And here given greater than or equal to. So or equal to means these number are included. Similarly, minus 3 is included. So, you are making in the dark shade. And now I start greater than checking. So, one by one I cases check. Case 1. First explain this size. 3 to plus infinity. Same as I go into second parts and say. So, students, I cases this explain for x more than or equal to 3. It is this criteria. It means 3 to close bracket to infinity positive. This I checking our cases. So very easy. These functions I utilize here. First of all, preparing 3, adding 3 on both sides. So what you get? X plus 3 greater than or equal to 6. It means 6 to more numbers. And same as x greater than or equal to 3 I start. Now I prepare this one. 3 minus x. Minus multiply. Both sides inequality change. Now it is minus x less than or equal to minus 3. Now add the 3 numbers. Both sides 3 if you added, what you get? 3 minus x less than or equal to 0. Students, this is statement 1. And statement 2, check. It is less than or equal to 0 is negative number. It is positive number. Both you multiply. Then what you get? Yes. Then 3 minus x into x plus 3 is surely this less than 0. It is greater than 0. Both apply. Surely it is less than or equal to 0. This answer is negative. My answer apply positive. So this is not your answer. Again repeat, why write here less than or equal to 0? This product and this also product. Both you multiply. Your answer is a negative cases. Now I explain to this region. First case this region explain, second this and third this. All three cases, and after that I go to my final conclusion. So our case 2. For minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. If the students are at this interval, explain. So minus 3 to 3. First prepare this one, 3 plus x here. So in both place adding 3 and adding 3. So what you get? Yes, 0 to 6. It means purely positive. It is a statement number 3. Now again minus 3 to 3. Students, here I am preparing x plus 3. Now I start 3 minus x. So here minus multiply. Whenever you minus multiply, inequality change. So what you get? Minus 3 to minus 3. Sorry, my mistakes. Here minus 3. Yeah, it means it is plus 3. Now minus 3x. Now I added 3. Each term 3 added. This also 3 adding. And here also 3 adding. So your answer is ready for 6 to 0. It means 0 to 6. This answer is also statement number 4. Check. It is positive. It is positive. Now both multiply. So what you get? 0 into 0. It is 0. 3 minus x, 3 plus x. And here 6 into 6. 36. But it is positive value. So here I mention plus. And sure, this is your answer. Because what I checking? Plus value. So surely. So students, this value is a purely positive and that is your answer. And one more case I explain. Our case 3. Case 3 also I checking minus infinity to minus 3. So x belongs to less than or equal to minus 3. Either x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. This case also I checking to 3 minus x and 3 plus x. First I adding 3. Here adding 3. Both the sides. What you get? Less than or equal to 0. It means statement number 5. And same as now I prepare this one. 3 minus x. Minus multiply first. Both sides. Inequality change. Whenever you minus multiply, students, it is 3. So minus x will get an equal to 3. But I got 3 minus x. So here 3 adding. Both sides. So finally 3 minus x is done. Greater than or equal to 6. Statement number 6. Now 5 and 6 both in product. It is negative. It is positive. Both multiply. Surely it is negative value. Less than or equal to 0. So this case is negative. So students, finally our drawing is finished. I want greater than or equal to 0. Positive value. Here positive value defined by this case 2. So my answer is this. And this is your domain finished. I hope students you understood properly. Now I explain further to range side. It means the domain ready. X belongs to close bracket. Minus 3 to 3. I heard minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 3. This your first answer done. Domain. Now I define to further our range size. Now students, I am going to our range size. So, domain ready. And what is your question? Question is your under root 9 minus x square. This question related, I prepare this domain into range. So first of all, I want x square. Making here square. Surely if you taking square, your answer is 0 to 9. Why 0 to 9? Because our number line minus 3 to 3. This range only defined to minus 3 to 3 between. You making the square, it means this full value. Just I explain you detail. Here minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. You just making all square for this number. Definitely your minimum number is 0 and maximum number is 9. That's why I write 0 to 9. Now second I want minus. So each term you multiply minus 0, minus 1, inequality change. So 0 to minus x square to minus 9. Now I want 9 addition. So 0 to 9. Similarly here. Similarly here. So 9 to 0. But I want internal. So first rearrange 0 to 9 and making square root. Each term making square root. So definitely this 0 to 9 minus x square is 3 and that is my range. Yes students, this numerical is done here. Range of function, it is close bracket 0 to 3. Either you write down x such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, x belongs to R. This is my answer. Yes students, here this numerical is done. And same numerical students, you try itself. Here I give you extra. For your more practice, you try to extra numerical. Yes. In the extra numerical students, I have written because there are very less space. This is extra I write down. You try itself. Fx I have converted 25 minus x square. Can you judge what is domain and what is range? Yes, this question of 9 minus x square domain is minus 3 to 3. So here definitely what? Minus 5 to 5. And range, close bracket 0 to 3. Here close bracket 0 to 5. One more, same you try itself. It is a different data I write down. 144 minus x square domain and range. What is domain getting? Yes, here minus 12 to 12. After by the process, I give you just shortcut your answers. Here 0 to 12. One more I write down. Fx. It is under root. Any number written. 625 minus x square. So domain ready. And side by side range ready. So after ending this sum, you must be calculate these three sums for better practice. That type numerical, because only one numerical given in your textbook. So can you judge what is the answer for this above third question? Yes, answer is ready for that. Domain is your minus 25 to plus 25 and range is a close bracket 0 to 25. Actually this square root taking, and here students this numerical is happily done. Now I go to next one. Now students, I am going to slowly this next numerical, third one. If fx given 2x minus 5, then write down the value of f0, f7 and f4 minus 3. It's very easy question. First I start f0. So we taking x is equal to 0 in your fx. Apply in place of x is 0. U is indicating. Your answer is 0 minus 5. Yes. Second I asked you f7. So very easy. We taking x is equal to 7 in the fx. Our fx is the 2x minus 5 f7. Yes, I hope students you understood. 2 into 7 minus 5. 7 to the 40 minus 5 is equal to 9 because 9 and 5 14. And third one, same is f of minus 3. So same application we taking here. X is equal to minus 3 in the fx. So only just I putting into x minus 5, x is equal to minus 3. So f of minus 3, 2 with minus 3, minus 5. So 3 to the 6 and total you getting 6 and 5, total minus 11. Yes students, it's very easy numerical. Same numerical question number 4, I continue. Same contains sum. Yes. Now students, continue this related same questions. Question number 4. The function t which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit. I hope you know that translating to Celsius in Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit in Celsius. This numerical also already calculated in chemistry. Yes. And formula is given T of C. Students, it is a Fahrenheit. T of C means 9C by 5 plus 32. And I want the further questions of 4. So very easy. First I go into T0. So first one, T0. It means what? T0 compared with TC. So we taking C is equal to 0 in this formula. T of C 9C by 5 plus 32. Because T of C already given that our find out value and C equal to what? 0. So here apply T of 0. 9 into 0 by 5 plus 32. Yes, first case is written. Here 0 by 5 plus 32. It is 0 plus 32. Yes. First answer is done. 32. Same as I am moving just second one. My second target T of 28. Same checking in the formula list wise. C is a 28. So we taking value of C is equal to 28. And formula is same as write down. What is formula? 9C by 32. Sorry, 9C by 5 plus 32. This value I just apply same as in your formula. So you get definitely T of C. Our C is ready. 28. I know that here 9C means here 28 by 5 plus 32. Here only apply to C is equal to 32. Now students, 9 into 28 multiply plus 32 into 5 by 5. So this LCM 5. Here 5 is a 10. 1 carry. 5 is a 15 plus 1 16. 160. And here students 28 9s are. 9 8s are 72. 7 carry. And 9 2s are 18. 18 and 7. Yes, 25. So 252 plus 160. Here 2, 11, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4, 1, 2 divided by 5. Here your T of 28. This answer is your easy. Our second questions. Now students move ahead slowly to third one. Our third one is what is getting? T minus 10. Yes. So same apply. We taking C is equal to minus 10 and formula is also ready. T of C is equal to how many? Formula 9C upon 5 plus 32. Yes. And value apply. So T of minus 2, here minus 10. Here 9 minus 10 by 5 plus 32. So here minus 90 and here 32 into 5 upon 5. So you get just easy value minus 90 plus 32 5s are already I calculated here. It is 160 and upon 5. And finally 160 minus 90, it means 60 and 1 70, cutting that 14. So t of minus 10 is done here. 14 5s are 70. Now I am going to slowly have a third question, after that fourth one. So fourth also same, t of c given now 2 and 2 and asking value of c. So I just move ahead of a fourth one. T of c is 2 and 2 if then value of c is my target. So again I showed our formula. What is our formula T of c? It is initial 9c by 5 plus 32. So T of c known 2 and 2. And here students, just only as it is 9c by 5 plus 32. First of all this 32, I forward it right to left. So 2 and 2 minus 32 and 9c by 5 is as it is. Now how many 2 and 2 minus 32? It is 0. Yes, and 20 and minus 3, it is a 19, 18. Sorry, 18 and not 19. 180 and 32. So finally getting 180, 9c by 5. So what is the c? 180 into 5 upon 9. And finally done 9 2s are 80, 20 into 5 is 100. So this value c is 100 for these solutions. And here easily this question is also done here students. Yes students, I hope you understood properly that type easy questions in your function chapters. Yes students, here our domain range related and particular example for your Fahrenheit and Celsius numerical done. And this part I ended here students. Further explanation I explain you in the next part. Bye bye. See you.